Let us see the next question. Mr. Alex, a practicing chartered accountant, can earn a return of 15% by investing in equity shares on his own. So once again, information is given about an investor that he can earn at the rate of 15% by investing on his own. He is considering a recently announced equity-based mutual fund scheme in which the initial expenses are 6%, annual recurring expenses 2%. How much should the mutual fund earn to provide Mr. A return of 15% per annum? Please write answer of the first question in the chat box. So answer of the question will be like this. A required return by investor divided by 1 minus initial issue expenses, whatever the answer that we have, plus annual recurring expenses. That is the way we are required to do answer. The investor's required rate of return is 15%. The initial expenses are provided to us as 6%, and the recurring expenses are given as 2%. So the final answer is going to be 15 upon 0.94, that is 15.96 plus 2, that is 17.96%. So minimum rate of earning of the mutual fund should be 17.96%, so as to give return to Mr. A, that is said to the investor 15%. Second part of the question. Mr. Alex current annual professional income is 40 lakhs. His portfolio value is 50 lakhs. Now he is spending 10% of his time to manage his portfolio. If he spends this time on profession, his professional income will go up in the same proportion. It means that it will increase by 10%. That is 40 lakhs plus 10%, that comes to like 44 lakhs. He is thinking to invest his entire portfolio in a multi-cap fund, that is multi-capitalization funds, which will have the large cap, mid cap and small cap all. Assuming the fund's NAV will grow at the rate of 13% per annum, including dividend. So we understand that say instead of say 15%, he will be having the earning at the rate of only 13%. You are requested to advise Mr. Alex whether he can invest the portfolio into multi-cap fund, question mark. If so, what is his net financial benefit? That is a question. I want you to give answer for the second question in the chat box, both the answers, that whether he should make investment or not. And if at all your answer is like yes or no, you just have to write the net benefit or net loss if at all he does like this. So friends, over here we understand, if at all the chartered accountant is giving time in his profession instead of managing the portfolio, then his income will increase by 4 lakhs. That is 40 lakhs into 10%. And on this 50 lakh rupees of his portfolio, he will be earning at the rate of 13% instead of 15%. So there is a loss of 2%. So we understand that it is 50 lakhs into 2%. Because instead of 15, you will earn at 13. So what is the loss? I think it is an amount of 1 lakh. And what is the advantage? It is 4 lakhs. So we can draw a conclusion that you should focus on practice rather than managing the portfolio. That is the way we are supposed to give answer over here. So please write down answer for the second question. Decision making from Mr. Alex point of view about whether to manage the portfolio whether to manage the portfolio or to invest through mutual fund. So we understand that say we have to make a comparison like this: increase in professional income less reduction in return. What is the increase in the professional income? We understand it is 40 lakhs into 10 percentage. The present income is 40 lakhs. Of that 10% comes to 4 lakhs. Minus reduction in return. So on 50 lakh rupees of the portfolio, you will earn at the rate of like 13 percentage instead of 15 percentage. So you will be having loss of 2 percentage. So that comes to an amount of 1 lakh. So net income increases by 3 lakhs. Suppose like Mr. Alex is advised to make investment through mutual fund. Mr. Alex is advised to make investment through mutual fund. Full stop. This is the way we are required to write answer. So the number of times something like this happens in examination, wherein so there will be some extension of the concept that say you are already provided with the suggested answers by the institute in its publication. First part of the question is very simple because we already have done such kind of questions through the institute publication, but there will be say certain additional questions like this, and we are supposed to crack this kind of additional points in examination.